This is the question. So here question, solve the differential equation for a physical problem expressed as d square y by dx square plus 100 is equal to 0, and what are the limits? 0 less than x less than 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. This is the differential equation. These are the limits with the boundary conditions as y of 0 equal to 0 and y of 10 equal to 0 using so here with the boundary conditions of y of 0 is equal to 0 and y of 10 equal to 0 using point collocation method, subdomain collocation method and least square method and Galerkin method. This is the weighted residual method problem. This is the weighted residual method problem. So here these are the weighted residual methods. First one, point collocation and subdomain collocation and least square and Galerkin method. So here what is the first step? This is the point collocation method. We need to calculate residual is equal to 0. So point collocation method, the residual is set to be 0, that equal to r equal to 0. And second one, subdomain. So integral subdomain integral 0 to 10. What are the limits? Integral 0 to 10. So here integral 0 to 10 r dx is equal to 0. R dx is equal to 0. So here least square method. So integral 0 to 10 r square dx is equal to minimum. What is the least square method? Integral 0 to 10 r square dx is equal to minimum. So here Galerkin method, integral 0 to 10 y of r dx is equal to 0. Y of r dx is equal to 0. These are the formulas for point collocation method, subdomain collocation and least square method and Galerkin method. So here in this problem some trial function is missing. So here in the given problem only differential equation and limits and boundary conditions are there. So here some equation means d square y by dx square plus 100 is equal to 0. So here what is the trial function value? This is the y equal to, y is the trial function. Y is the trial function. So here in this problem y is not given. So first of all we need to assume the y value. So first of all we need to assume the y value like y equal to, so what are the boundary conditions? So here 0 and 10. What are the boundary conditions? So here 0 and 10. So here 10 square minus x. In case x equal to 0, we can substitute x equal to 0. So here y equal to 0 minus 10, that equal to minus 10. It is not satisfied with the first boundary condition. So not satisfied with the first boundary conditions. So here we can substitute x equal to 10. X equal to 10. So here y is equal to, what are the x square? 10 square minus 10. So here 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. It is also not equal to 0. This condition is not satisfied. Not satisfied with the boundary conditions. Again I am considering some y equal to x minus 10. X minus 10. So here x equal to 0, So here trial function y equal to x. What is the x value? 0 minus 10 is equal to 0. 0 minus 10 equal to minus 10. It is not equal to 0. So x equal to 10. So here y equal to, what is the x value? 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. It is satisfied. So here in this problem, the boundary conditions both x equal to 0 and x equal to 10 are satisfied. So here this is satisfied, this is not satisfied, and this is satisfied, and 10, this is not satisfied. You tell this x equal to 0, x equal to 10, not satisfied. So here this is the trial, y is the trial function. Next we have to consider both x equal to 0 and x equal to 10. We have to substitute these values in the trial function. So it is equal to 0. Coming to the next one. So here y equal to ax into x minus 10. So here what are the limits? X equal to 0 if y equal to so you can multiply ax square minus 10 ax. So here what is the x value? A into 0 minus 10 into a into 0. So here y equal to 0 if y of 0 is equal to 0. So here y of x equal to 0. So here coming to the next one, x equal to 10. So here y equal to, what is the x value? 10. So here a into 10 square minus 10a into 10. So here 100 into a minus 100 a. So this is y equal to 0. So here y of x equal to 10. Y of x equal to 10 equal to 0. So here in this problem y of 0 equal to 0, y of 10 equal to 0. So here these both conditions are satisfied. So this equation satisfied with the boundary conditions. So what is the trial function value? This is the trial function value. So here y equal to ax, x minus 10 is the trial function. So here in this trial function we substitute x equal to 0, x equal to 10. It can be satisfied with the boundary conditions, that equal to y equal to 0 and y of 10 equal to 0. This is the trial function equation. Coming to the problem. Coming to the solution. So here coming to the solution. So here the differential equation is the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 100 is equal to 0. So here the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 100 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So here this is the first equation. Coming to the here, what are the range? So here where range x is 0 to 10. Range x is 0 to 10. That means 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. So here range x is 0 to 10. 0 to 10. So lower limit 10, lower limit 0 and upper limit 10. Where the boundary condition says, with the boundary conditions of, with the boundary conditions, y of 0 is equal to 0, comma, y of 10 equal to 0. So y of 10 equal to 0. So here the trial function is not given in the problem. So here the trial function y value is not given in the problem, is not given in the problem. So here the trial function y value is not given in the problem. Now let us assume, let us assume the trial function for a differential equation, for a differential equation which should satisfy the boundary conditions as assume. So we already solved in the previous one. So here y equal to, assume the trial function y equal to, assume the trial function y equal to ax of x minus 10. So y equal to ax of x minus 10. So here y equal to ax square minus 10ax. Y equal to ax square minus 10ax. So here the boundary conditions. So here boundary conditions. So here what are the boundary conditions? X equal to 0. What are the boundary conditions? X equal to 0. Here in this problem with the boundary conditions as y of 0 is equal to 0. So here y of 0 is equal to 0. The first one, y of 0 equal to 0. So if x equal to 0, so here y of ax square minus 10ax. So here y of 0, that means x equal to 0. So here y of 0 is equal to, what is the value? A into 0 square minus 10a into 0. So here y of 0 is equal to 0. This is the satisfied equation. So coming to the next one. So here what is the value? Y of 10 is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 10. So here y equal to ax square minus 10ax is equal to y of 10. So here x equal to 10, y of 10 is equal to a into 10 square minus 100 into 10a into 100. So here y of 10 is equal to 100a minus 100a. So this is the 0. This is the 0. So here y of 0 equal to 0 and y of 10 equal to 0. Here the boundary conditions are, here the given boundary conditions are satisfied. Here the boundary conditions are satisfied. This is the rough one. So here what is the y value? So here y equal to ax square minus 10ax. So here from the differential equation, d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of ax square minus 10ax. d by dx of ax square minus 10ax. So here a is the constant term, that equal to that equal to 2x minus 10. 2x minus 10. 2x minus 10. So here what is the d by dx of, here d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. d by dx of x is equal to 1. So d by dx of x is equal to 1. So here I am substituting, this is the constant term. So what is the d by dx of x square value? 2x. And it's, so here 10a is the constant value. What is the d by dx of x equal to 1? So this is the dy by dx equal to a into 2x minus 10. So what is the next one? Coming to the second differential equation, that equal to d square y by dx square is equal to d square y by dx square is equal to, so here this is the constant term, we can eliminate or otherwise 0. So here what is the value? 2a. This is the second order differential equation. D square y by dx square is equal to 2 into a. 2 into a. So substituting this d square y by dx square is equal to 2a in equation 1. Substituting. Substituting d square y by dx square is equal to 2a in equation 1. So in equation 1. So here what is the value? D square y by dx square plus 100 is equal to 0. So here what is the d square y by dx square value? 2a plus 100 is equal to 0. So here this is the residual r is equal to 2a plus 100. Residual r is equal to 2a plus 100. So coming to the first question, so here point collocation method. First one point collocation method. First one point collocation method. Point collocation method. So here the residual is set to be 0. The residual set to be 0, that equal to r is equal to 0. So what is the r value? This is the residual is second equation. What is r value? So here r equal to 2a plus 100 is equal to 0. So here 2a is equal to minus 100. So here a equal to minus 50. So here a is equal to minus 50. The trial function y is equal to ax of x minus 10. So here what is the a value? Minus 50. That equal to minus 50 into x minus 10. Y equal to the trial function y equal to minus 50 into x minus 10. This is the first point collocation method trial function. This is the first point collocation method trial function. Coming to the second one, subdomain collocation method. Second one, subdomain collocation method. Subdomain collocation method. Second one, subdomain collocation method. Subdomain collocation method. So here the integral of the residual over the subdomain is set to be 0. The integral of the residual, the integral of residual, integral of residual is integral of residual over the subdomain, residual over the subdomain is said to be 0. That equal to, so integral, what are the limits? 0 to 10 r into dx is equal to 0. What is the residual function? So here r is equal to 2a plus 100 is the residual function. So here 2a plus 100 into dx is equal to 0. So here what are the limits? 0 to 10. Here what are the limits? 0 to 10. So here, integrations is there. So integral 0 to 10 into 2a into dx plus integral 0 to 10 100 into dx. So here 100 is the constant term. So what is the integral 2a value? So here 2a is constant, that equal to 2a integral 0 to 10 into 1 dx plus 100 is the constant term, 100 integral 0 to 10 into 1 dx is equal to 0. So here integral 1 dx is equal to x. So here 1 dx is equal to x. Substituting this integral value, 1 dx is equal to x. So here 2a into x plus 100 into x with the limits of 0 to 10, that equal to 0. With the limits of 0 to 10, that equal to 0. So here this is the integral equation. We can substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So here 2a of upper limit 10 plus 100 into 10. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. So here what is the lower limit? X equal to 0. So here 2a into 0 plus 100 into 0, that equal to 0. So here I am applying upper limit and here I am applying lower limit. What is the value? 20 into a plus 1000 minus 2a into 0, 0, 100 into 0, 0. So this term is 0, this term is 0. So here 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So final equation, 20a is equal to minus 1000, a is equal to minus 50. So a is equal to minus 50. So here the trial function of this subdomain, the trial function y is equal to minus 50 into x of a minus 10, y equal to minus 50 into x of x minus 10. So this is the subdomain collocation method trial function. Coming to the third one, least square method. Coming to the third one, least square method. Least square method. So here the integral of the square of the residual of square of the residual here the integral of square of the residual over the domain is said to be domain is said to be minimum. So here what is the equation? Integral 0 to 10 r square into dx is equal to minimum value. So here what is the r square value? So here r equal to 20a plus 100. So integral 0 to 10 2a plus 100 whole square into dx is equal to minimum value. So dx is equal to minimum value. So here integral I is equal to 0 to 10 2a plus 100 whole square into dx. So here we can consider it as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here what is the a value? 22a. What is the b value? 100 is equal to 2a whole square plus 100 whole square plus 2 into 2a into 100. What is the value of 2a plus 100 whole square? So that equal to 4a square plus 1000 plus 400 into a. So here what is the value of 2a plus 100 square? So here 4a square plus 10,000 plus 400 into a. 400 into a. Substitute this value. Integral 0 to 10. What is the value for 2a plus 100 whole square? 4a square plus 10,000. So here 4 zeros plus 400 a into dx into dx. So here what is the integral of a square? Integral of a square into dA is equal to, so with respect to x, so here integral of dx. Okay, so here what is the value of integral? Integral a square is equal to a square into dA is equal to 2a. So what is the a value? Integral a into dA is equal to 1. So integral 1 dA is equal to 0. So 1 dA is equal to 0. So here in this equation we can substitute these values 2a, 1 and 0. So here, so what is the value of, so what is the value? So here integral of 0 to 10 4a square into dx plus integral of 0 to 10,000 into dx plus integral of 0 to 10 400 a into dx is equal to minimum. So dx is equal to minimum. So here I is equal to, so here 4a is the constant term. 4a is the constant term. So what is the integral 1 dx is equal to x. So integral 1 dx equal to x. So 4a square is the constant term. Integral 1 dx is equal to x plus, so here 10,000 is the constant term. Integral 0 to 10 1 dx is equal to x plus, this is the constant term 400 a into x. What are the limits? 0 to 10. These are the limits. We can substitute upper limit and lower limit values in this equation. So here we can substitute 4a square into 10. This is the upper limit plus 10,000 into 10 plus 400 a into 10. So lower limit value 0, here x equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 0, so total term is 0. So here this is the final equation. The integral of square of residual function, the integral I is equal to 40a square plus 1 2 3 4 5 zeros 1 lakh plus 4000 a is a. So here this is the integral function. I is equal to 4a square plus 1 lakh plus 4000 into a. So now dou I by dou a is equal to 0. Dou a by dou a is equal to 0. So here what is the I value? Dou by dou a of I value 40a square plus 1 lakh plus 4000 a is equal to 0. So here with respect here partial differentiation with respect to x, so in partial differentiation with respect to x, so here 40 is the constant term. What is the d by dA of a square is equal to 2a. What is the d by dA of a square is equal to 2a. So that means 40 into 2a plus this is the constant term. We can neglect it. 0 plus, so here 40,000 into a, this is the dou by dou a of a equal to 1, that equal to 4000 is equal to 0. 4000 is equal to 0. So here 80a is equal to minus 4000. So a equal to minus 4000 by 80 minus 4000 by 80. So here 80. So 0 get cancelled. So here 8 5s are 40, that equal to 50. So here a equal to minus 50. The trial function y equal to minus 50 into x minus 10. This is the least square method trial function equation. Y equal to minus 50x into x minus 10. Coming to the next one, that is Galerkin method. Coming to the next one, the Galerkin method. The Galerkin's method. So the domain integral of the product of the trial function, the domain integral of the domain integral of the product of trial function the domain integral of the product of the trial function with the residual is said to be 0. With the residual is set to be 0. So here integral 0 to 10 y into r of dx is equal to y into r of dx is equal to 0. So what is the y value? So here y equal to ax of x minus 10. So here what is the y value? Y is equal to, so here y is equal to ax of x minus 10, that equal to ax square minus 10a into x, ax square minus 10a into x. So here substitute this y value in this equation. So here r is equal to 2a plus 100. So substitute these two values. Integral 0 to 10, what is the y value? Ax square minus 10ax into what is the r value? So r value means 2a plus 100 into dx is equal to 0 into 2x is equal to, dx is equal to 0. So first of all we need to simplify this equation. So here integral 0 to 10, we can multiply this way. So here ax square into 2a, that is 2a square x square, and second one plus 100 ax square minus of first one minus of 10ax into 2a, 20a square x, next minus of 10ax into 100 minus of 3 zeros, that is 1000 ax into dx is equal to 0. So ax square 2a square into x square plus 100 ax square minus 20 ax square minus 1000 ax into dx is equal to 0. What is the integral of x square into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here n equal to 2, that equal to x cube by 3. So x cube by 3. So what is the 2a square into x cube value? So here 2a square x cube by 3 plus 100a into x cube by 3 minus 20a square into so here integral of x is equal to, so here x dx is equal to, what is the value of integral of x is equal to, so here x power, so here n equal to 1. So here this equation divided by 1000 into a. Here this equation divided into 1000 into a. What is the final value? What is the final value? So this equation can be divided by 1000 into a. So here 2 by 3, here 2 by 3 into a plus, so 1000a 10 cube by 3, it can be divided by 1000 into a. So here what is the value? 100 by 3 minus of 20a square 20a square, 10 square by 2. It can be divided in by 1000 into a. That means minus a minus of 1000a into 10 square by 2 divided by 1000a. So here 100 by 2, that means 50, that equal to minus of 50 is equal to 0. Now we can simplify this equation. 2a plus 100 minus 3a minus 3 into 50, 150 is equal to 0. So here what is the value? Minus a and minus 50 is equal to 0. So here a equal to minus 50. A equal to minus 50. So what is the Galerkin method trial function? The trial function the trial function, what is the y value? Y equal to minus 50 x of x minus 10, x of x minus 10. So this is the solution for the given problem. So in this problem, in the weighted residual method, the weighted residual method. So the weighted residual method. So first one, point collocation method. The trial function is y equal to minus 50 x into x minus 10. So second one, subdomain collocation method. The trial function y equal to minus 50 x into x minus 1. So what is the third one? Least square method. So the trial function y equal to minus 50x into x minus 10. So fourth one, Galerkin method. The trial function y equal to minus 50x into, this is the a term. This is the a term, that means constant term minus 50. So in the weighted residual methods, all these point collocation, subdomain and least square and Galerkin method, the entire trial function is same for the weighted residual methods, that is equal to constant term a equal to minus 50. A equal to minus 50. This is the solution for differential equation for the physical problem express dou square y by dou x square plus 100 is equal to 0. Without giving a trial function, we can also calculate weighted residual method. This is the solution for that.